Hello everyone, in today's video I want to show you a completely new and unexplored affiliate marketing method that can generate genuine traffic and revenue. I'm going to show you how you can accomplish this lawfully in about 15 minutes every day. So without further ado, please subscribe and let's begin. To start, let me show you an example of someone who's actually doing this and making money off of it. Have a look at this Pinterest profile named Tumbleweed. They receive 1.6 million views every single month. What's fascinating about this profile is that they have a collection of some of the most interesting TikToks, but you'll also see that none of these videos are theirs. What they're really doing is looking through TikTok, Instagram, possibly even YouTube Shorts, and downloading these videos onto their computer. And they're reposting them on Pinterest, which is resulting in millions of views and possibly hundreds of thousands of dollars in affiliate marketing sales. This account isn't the only one that does this. There are plenty of other pages that are taking advantage of this incredibly lucrative method, and you can too. The nice part is that you don't have to have a specific niche for this to work. Literally anything goes, like making money online, affiliate marketing, manifestation, relationships, investment in cryptocurrency. You get my point. However, you have to use the video format to be able to earn good money with Pinterest affiliate marketing, since Pinterest is now emphasizing video exactly like TikTok, YouTube videos, and Instagram. People used to do this all the time on Instagram, and they still do it now. They make these themed Instagram pages and link their affiliate links in the description and earn money. So let me tell you how you can do that too. Step 1. Firstly, you need some videos regarding your niche. We will stick to making money online since this is our area of expertise. But you also need an optimized Pinterest account to post them on. For that, go to Pinterest and establish a business account. It is completely free and really easy to make. If you do get stuck somewhere, it's always nice to reference your competition and take inspiration from them. You might want to look up some other pages and see how they have set up their account. Most of this is self-explanatory, so you should be able to figure this out. Step 2. Once you have your account set up, you need to find a couple videos to post. Now you have a lot of options available. You can take videos from TikTok, Instagram, Reels, or even YouTube Shorts. But we would suggest that you go for TikTok since it has original creators and the best content. There's no sort of reposting going on in that platform, at least, not as much as the others. So just look up some basic keywords like make money online or investment, or something along those lines, and plenty of videos will pop up. Check out a few of these videos and select what stands out to you. Once you have a video selected, we need to download it. But there's a problem. Step 3. You can notice that this video has a watermark. How can we remove this watermark and publish it to Pinterest? For that, you need to go to Google and search for TikTok Video Downloader. When you enter it, you'll see tons of downloaders. Most if not all of these downloaders can download your video without a watermark, but the one we suggest is savit.cc. Now you want to return to TikTok and copy the URL of the video you selected. Then paste it in the downloader and this will locate this video, which you will then be able to download. You will see multiple options to download it as, but you want to download it as an MP4 file and just click on the download. When you open the downloaded video, you'll notice that the TikTok logo has vanished. I know what you must be thinking. Isn't it illegal and unethical to use people's reels and videos without their consent? But we're not doing that. We will be giving the creator full credit of the video in the description of our pin. This is very important because people can go back to their profile and you won't get in trouble. Step 4. Next step, we will edit this video to give it a call to action and make some other adjustments here and there. The website that we will be using as our free video editor is called canva.com. If you have another paid or expensive software, then you can use that too. But for most of us, Canva is the best free option. So open Canva's free video editor and drag and drop the video you just downloaded. You can create your own overlay on top of this if you want to and edit in some filters and stuff to make it more appealing. But one thing that you must do is add a call to action to this video before I post it on Pinterest. Now, click on this plus icon to get a blank page. Basically, in this CTA, you want to tell people to go on the link in your bio. So write something along the lines of, click on the link in my bio to learn more about other methods to make money online. You can change the color, mess around with the size, animate it, add a royalty-free song, whatever you wish to do to make it look more authentic. But you want to keep it clean and simple. Once you have the video completely edited, download it. Your video is now done and doesn't need any more editing. Now we will begin the uploading process. Step 5. But before you upload, you need to have your affiliate links ready. For this, you can use a couple of websites, but we will be focusing on ClickBank. They have tons of courses and products that they want to have marketed, and you're going to help them to do that. So go to ClickBank and look up some courses and products and services regarding investing or making money online. Once you have selected those products and generated those links, simply add them to your Linktree profile. Linktree is a website that compiles and neatly presents all your affiliate links that you will have to show to the world. To simplify, once you add your affiliate link to your Linktree account, you will only have to share your Linktree in link instead of the tens and hundreds of affiliate links. So once you've added in the links, just copy your Linktree link and move on to Pinterest. Step 6. Create a new pin. And now all you have to do is drag and drop the video. What you need to do now is to add a title. The title can be the same as the video you downloaded. Next, add in relevant tags like finance and investment, or money, or income. Basically anything that relates with your video. Next, add in your description in which you can briefly explain a little bit about the video, and then paste your Linktree link at the bottom. You can optimize this further by adding in a bunch of keywords that relate to your video. In my case, finance and cash into the description of your video. You can, of course, further learn a bunch of SEO tricks from YouTube to increase your exposure. Another really important thing that you absolutely should not miss is the credits. For that, add in the text credit and add the name of the creator or the name of the account that produced this video. You should also add a link to their profile and give them as much exposure as you can. Now, all that is left for you to do is to publish it. So click publish and scroll down and add this pin to a board. Since this is a new account, you might want to start a new board. As an example, I'm going to make an investment board, and then I'll click on create, and then I'll go to publish. So now this will be published on my Pinterest profile. You'll see that this video will now be published on my Pinterest profile under an investment board. This isn't only going to gain you views, but money as well. You can promote it for some money as well, but I wouldn't recommend doing that just yet. Let's take a look at our pin now. As you can see, the title looks great, the video is very well edited, it looks professional, and the Linktree link is also visible, from which people will go on to buy stuff, and you'll get a cut. The other thing your audience can do, if they're on your profile, is go right over to check what other pins you have, and they will probably end up going to your Linktree at some point. It is incredibly important that you add it into your bio as well, for maximum coverage. One of the finest methods to generate money with affiliate marketing is via video. When it comes to video, Pinterest is an untapped resource. We've also shown you profiles of people who are doing this without making any of these videos. You may produce tens of thousands of these videos in a single week and then post them over the month. My recommendation is to watch at least 2 to 3 videos every day. It will take you no more than 15 minutes to produce these videos after you get used to the whole process. So that's how you make money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. But if you want to know another strategy for making money with video that doesn't require any skills, guys, click on this video over here, and I'll walk you through an entire step-by-step tutorial that you can combine with this strategy to make even more money online. I strongly advise you to watch this video, and I'll see you there. Peace out.